Hey Anthony, my name is Nasos Georgalis and I work with Epilysis Solutions in Charlotte, and we are a marketing agency. As I told you over the phone, we are working with landscaping material companies all over the country, and I was doing some research in your area and I came across your website. I figured I'd give you guys this quick little video to give you 3 tips on how you can beat out your competition online, or not to let the competition to come up on you. I'll show you some of the things I can see that's working well for you, and so I don't want to waste your time and I don't want to waste my time either. So if by the end of this video you like what you hear and you'd like to know more about how Epilysis Solutions can grow your business and help bring on new customers, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Take the tips that I've given you today too and use them for your company and see how they work out for you. Only thing I'm asking from you is to give me some feedback on this video once you're done. So let's get started. The 3 different topics I'm going to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. Starting with the content, we mean anything that's on your front page, including the pictures, and the pictures are saved with a name, so that is also considered to be content that is readable by the search engines. And content in the front page should be around 1500 words. And although they must sound a bit wordy, it is what the front page should have in terms of word count to allow you to work in some keywords or key phrases that people are going to be using too. In your page, you seem to understand that, and there is a lot of content in your first page. We will see later if this gives you also some keywords. But the first tip is that I have to give you is you have to make sure you have more relevant keyword rich content that's unique on your front page, so that the search engines can help get your company rank as high as possible. Unfortunately, content it's something that web developers don't really pay attention to, and that is not very good. Anyway, let's move to the second thing that I want to go over with you, and this is citations. And if we go over to a search here in Google, basically about landscaping in your area, we can see that in the map section over here, you have a very good ranking. You're actually ranking first. And then underneath you, let's see the competition. You have one guy who doesn't even have a website. You have Procat, Lawn Service, Bastrop, that these guys seem to have a website, but their website is not working. And it seems that they need to renew their subscription or something. And then we have Cody's Irrigation Landscape LLC over here. Oh no, that's the guy who didn't have the website. Anyway, it's let's see who these guys are. Oh yes, these guys are here. They have this website. They lack content, and that's why you're ranking probably higher. It's something we will explore later. But when it comes to this map over here, what really matters is citations. And naturally, you will ask yourself, what are citations and how do I get them, right? So, well, a citation is essentially your business name, address, and phone number listed into different directories all throughout the internet. And a good way to describe what a directory is, for example, Facebook or Yellow Pages or Yelp, or any of those online sources or websites that give business owners the opportunity to list their business information and to provide them with another way of attracting new customers. So what would be tip number 2 is that just with citation, in order for us to beat out your competition, you just need to go out there and find all the different directories that you need to be at. But having in mind that these guys, all these guys that are below you, they don't really even have a website. They haven't done much. you should be cautious of them trying to do the right thing and get themselves some citations and starting ranking higher in this map section. And I say that because from your website I see also that there is no link to any social media, so you're losing some citations just from that, because you need, in my opinion, to have an Instagram and a Facebook account. It's a must for types of businesses like yours that have to do with nice result, all these nice things you do and all the works that you're doing. You are utilizing correctly Google My Business, and you are uploading correctly pictures there, but we need something more than that in terms of citations. So that's the second tip that I had to give you. And now the third thing that I want to go over with you is backlinks. And what backlinks backlinks have to do with the organic section found underneath the maps. So we are looking over here, and basically what a backlink is, backlink is just a website that is sending a link back to your page. And so that could be, for instance, a local news company that did a story on you, and then they link the story back to your website to give the readers an opportunity to go check out your business online and to possibly book services with you. So using that tool that I have here called Ahrefs, we can see what is working well for you and what is not. So this tool is not 100% accurate, but it shows that you have 14 referring domains, giving you 43 backlinks. And if we go in the backlinks, we can see that you are listed here in these guys, and usually here we find a lot of directories, and probably because your competition is low, but that doesn't mean it will be low forever. You haven't done much for directories, but there are things that you need to do more on that, although you are ahead of the competition, of your local competition, but you are not very far from Austin, and so you should be careful of people ranking their websites for your area from there. So basically what we need to do with backlinks, it's just like the citations. You want to make sure that you are in more places than the other guys. So from what we've seen so far, you are getting 16 keywords, which is bringing you approximately 21 people on average to your website each month. Now, like I said, this is not 100% accurate, but it does give us an idea of what's working with you and for you and what is not. And currently the most accurate and up-to-date information is going to come directly from your Google Analytics if you have that set up correctly. But what I can tell you from here is that I get an idea of where your traffic is coming from. If we click here, the keywords, we see that you're ranking quite high for landscaping Bastrop. That's why you are number 1 there. Bastrop tree service, though, which is an essential and important part of your business, you are ranking number 7. So it's something that you should look for moving it further up. Lawn service Bastrop, you are going down to number 5 in the organic search, and there you see you have more searches. And also for the Bastrop tree service, you have more volume over here. More people are looking for that service, and you are ranking lower. You are not in #1 place, where you only get about 20 searches a month for that keyword. So keywords that attract more volume, you are ranking lower, and that is something you can work on. So if we take a look, I just saw another guy who is a competitor, and he is from Austin, and what he does is, like, he has 18 referring domains that give him 47 backlinks, and he's ranking for 183 keywords, comparing to you, that you were ranking for just 16. So as you can see, and also his organic traffic is much higher. Okay, he covers Austin too, but that gives you an idea of where you can improve and where you can do more. So what we can do, for instance, is you can check the keywords of this guy here, and you can see what he's ranking for, and help you for you to move to use them and move further up for your website. So that's all from me today, and hopefully this information has been valuable for you. Like I said, if you'd like to know more about how Epilysis Solutions can help grow your business and bring you some more new customers, reach out to me and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Enjoy the free tips that I've given you. And just, if you wouldn't mind giving me some feedback on how I did on this video. Thank you for your time, and you guys have a blessed holidays that are coming soon. Bye-bye.